Hi everyone, it's Chef Jess. I'm executive chef here at the Susan Samueli Integrative Health Institute. Let's get cooking here at the Musalem Nutritional Education Center. Today we're going to be making a red bell pepper hummus. And so this is one of those basic hummus recipes. So we're just going to take a can of garbanzo beans. So I'm going to add the garbanzo beans inside. And then I have a roasted red bell pepper. You can buy them jarred, ready to go, or you can do it yourself. So I just stuck this underneath the broiler and then let it chard and then put it in a bowl. And then the skin will start to shrivel up, and when it does, you can peel it. You really want it to get as charred as possible, just so that you can peel it. Now, doing it on your stove is a lot easier than your oven, but you just want to keep your eye on it. Right, there goes that. And there's that. Perfect. Now we're going to add our other regular hummus ingredients, including tahini, cumin, 1 clove of garlic, and then I have some lemon juice and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to add my olive oil in there. I'm going to close it up. And once it's almost smooth, I'm going to start drizzling in my lemon juice. And then depending on the consistency you want, that actually looks great to me. I'm not going to add any more water to it. But if you wanted to, you could also add a little bit more water to smooth it out. And there, whoop, excuse me. And there you are. If you noticed, I didn't add any salt. The reason being that the canned garbanzo beans already have salt in them. Do taste this before you serve it, obviously, and you can add a little bit more salt, but since there was salt in the garbanzo beans, we should be good. Have fun cooking.